बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज के इस वीडियो में आपके साथ क्लास केमिस्ट्री सेकेंड ईयर के तमाम 7 to 15 चैप्टर्स जो हैं उनके लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस और शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करूंगी। क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स जब आपको इस चीज़ का अंदाज़ा हो जाएगा कि शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस कौन से जो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं चैप्टर में दिए गए जो शॉर्ट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं और ऐसे क्वेश्चंस जो लॉन्ग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, तो आपकी प्रिपरेशन भी बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी। तो जब आप इस चीज़ को फॉलो करेंगे तो स्टूडेंट्स आप ज़रूर कामयाब होंगे और आप पहले से ज़्यादा मार्क्स जो हैं वो हासिल कर सकते हैं। क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स अगर हम किसी चीज़ को प्लानिंग या माइंड मैपिंग के ज़रिए करते हैं तो हमें किसी भी टारगेट को अचीव करना बहुत आसान हो जाता है। तो चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। चैप्टर नंबर 7। टॉपिक ऑफ आवर टुडेज चैप्टर इज़ फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस आर: क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज़ द वाइटल फोर्स थ्योरी? क्वेश्चन 2, डिफाइन थर्मल क्रैकिंग। Question number 3, define catenation. Question number 4, what is catalytic cracking? Question number 5, octane number of gasoline is improved by reforming. Explain. Question number 6, differentiate between alicyclic or aromatic compounds. Question number 7, what are alicyclic compounds? Give an example. Question number 8, write the name and structure of two aromatic heterocyclic compounds. Question number 9, define tautomerism. Give an example. Question 10, 1-butane doesn't show geometrical isomerism but 2-butane does. Give its reason. Question number 11 is, why is restricted rotation necessary to show the geometrical isomerism? Question number 12, what is metamerism? Give an example. Long questions are of this chapter is: question number 1, define cracking and discuss its different types. Question number 2, what are homocyclic and heterocyclic compounds? Give one example of each. Question number 3, what is meant by functional group? Name typical functional group containing oxygen. Question 4, write a different short note on cracking of hydrocarbons. Question number 5, what is orbital hybridization? Explain sp3, sp2 and modes of hybridization of carbon. Question number 6, define cracking of petroleum. Explain its various types and importance. Question number 7, explain reforming of petroleum with the help of suitable example. Question number 8, how organic compounds are classified. Give suitable example of each types. Question number 9, what is orbital hybridization? Explain sp2 mode of hybridization of carbon. Question number 10, define hybridization and also describe sp hybridization with reference to the ethane. Question number 11 is, explain sp2 hybridization along with the describing the structure of ethane, the basis of this type of hybridization. Question number 12, discuss geometric isomerism with at least 2 examples. Question number 13, describe briefly the different types of structural isomerism. Chapter number 8, aliphatic hydrocarbons. Short questions of these chapters are: question number 1, how ethane can be prepared by Gauss electrolysis. Question 2 is, what is effect of branching on boiling points of alkanes? Question 3, sigma bonds are inert in alkanes. Justify. Question 4, what is heat of combustion? Question 5, convert CH4 to CH2O. Question 6, give 4 uses of methane. Question 7, convert methane to ethane. Question number 8, ethene can be converted into ethyl alcohol. Write equation. Question number 9, what is Bayer's test? Give its uses. Question 10. Describe how we can distinguish between ethane and ethane. Question 11. Explain Markovnikov's rule with one example. Question 12 is define Raney-Nichols. Give its uses. Question 13. Give the mechanism of ozonolysis of ethane. Question 14 is what is hydrogenolysis? Give its example. Question number 15. How will you convert 1 butane to 1 butane? Question 16. Students, how ethane is converted to A. acetaldehyde, B. benzene. Question 17. How cis and trans alkenes are obtained from alkynes? Question 18. Distinguish between ethane and ethane by a chemical test. Long questions of these chapters are: question number 1. Discuss any two methods of preparation of alkenes. Question 2. Discuss acidic nature of alkynes with at least two examples. Question 3. Write a note on polymerization of ethane. Chapter number 9. Aromatic hydrocarbons. Short questions of these chapters are: question number 1. What are monocyclic and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons? Question number 2 is write names and draw structures of three possible isomers of xylene. Question 3. Give two reasons to rule out straight chain structure of benzene. Question 4. Write informations are obtained about structure of benzene from X-ray studies. Question number 5. Define resonance energy. What is the resonance energy of benzene? Question 6. Why benzene is less reactive than alkenes although it has a 3-pi bond in it? Question 7. Benzene can be prepared commercially from acetylene. Give reaction with the conditions. Question number 8. What is Wurtz fitting reaction? Question 9. Give the mechanism of nitration of benzene. Question 10. Give mechanism of sulfonation of benzene. Question 11. Convert benzene into toluene and acetophenone. Question 12. Write the mechanism of alkylation of benzene. Question number 13. Write the reaction when mixture of benzene vapors and oxygen is passed overheated vanadium pentoxide. Question 14. How toluene can be converted to benzoic acid? Question number 15. What is meant by meta-directing group? Long questions of these chapters are: question number 1. Describe the structure of benzene on the basis of atomic orbital treatment. Question 2. Write 4 methods for the preparation of benzene. Question 3. What are Friedel-Crafts reaction? Explain mechanism of alkylation and acylation of benzene. Question number 4. Write the mechanism for sulfonation and nitration of benzene. Question number 5. Describe the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation of benzene. Next, there is a chapter number 10, alkyl halides. Short questions of these chapters are: question 1 is what are primary and tertiary alkyl halides? Give example. Question number 2. Prepare alkyl halides from alcohols by 2 methods. Question number 3. Write excellent method to prepare alkyl iodide. Question 4. What is a leaving group? Give example. Question number 5. Define electrophile and nucleophile. Question number 6. Give general mechanism patterns of SN2 reaction. Question number 7. Discuss E2 mechanism. Question number 8. What are elimination reactions? Give example E1 reaction. Question number 9. What are beta elimination reactions? Long questions of these chapters are: question number 1, what are SN reaction? Differentiate between SN1 and SN2 reaction. Question number 2, discuss SN2 reaction of alkyl halides in detail. Question number 3, define nucleophilic substitution reactions and discuss the mechanism of SN1 reaction. Question number 4, define elimination reactions and discuss the mechanism of E1 reactions. स्टूडेंट्स जितने भी चैप्टर्स हो गए हैं इन क्वेश्चंस को आपने नोट डाउन करना है ताकि आपके पास नोट्स की सूरत में महफूज रहें। जब चाहें आप इनको रिवाइज़ करें ताकि आपकी माइंड में जो है वो स्टोर हो जाएं और आपको भूले नहीं। आपकी जो केमिस्ट्री की प्रिपरेशन है वो अच्छे से हो जाए। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो सब्सक्राइब के बटन को क्लिक ज़रूर करें और इस वीडियो को लाइक करें अगर आपको पसंद आई है। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास चैप्टर नंबर 11 है, अल्कोहल्स, फिनोल्स एंड ईथर्स। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ दिस चैप्टर आर: क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, why ethyl alcohol is liquid while ethyl chloride is gas at room temperature? Question number 12, absolute alcohol can't be prepared by fermentation process and why? Question number 3, explain denaturizing of alcohol. Question number 5, how will you distinguish between 1 propanol and 2 propanol? Question number 6, write 4 uses of each methanol and ethanol. Question number 7, students, prepare phenol from chlorobenzene by Gauss method. Question 8, write down 2 methods for the preparation of phenol. Question number 9, why phenol is acidic while alcohol is not? Question number 10, explain acidic behavior of phenol. Long question of this chapter is: question number 1, how ethyl alcohol is obtained by the fermentation of molasses and starch. Question number 2, give industrial preparation of ethyl alcohol. Question number 3, write 2 methods for the preparation of phenol. How does phenol react with concentrated ammonia and bromine water? Question number 4, how Gauss method is used for the preparation of phenol. Explain acidic behavior of phenol. Students, next the chapter number 12 is acetaldehyde and ketones. Question shorts of this chapter are: question number 1, give industrial preparation of acetaldehyde. Question 2, how formaldehyde is prepared on industrial scale. Question number 3, prepare acetone for calcium acetate. Question number 4 is addition of hydrogen cyanide on aldehydes and ketones is a base catalyzed reaction. Question 5, define nucleophilic addition reaction with an example. Question 6, convert acetaldehyde to lactic acid. Question number 7, describe briefly the mechanism of base catalyzed nucleophilic addition to carbonyl compound. Question number 8, give general mechanism of acid catalyzed addition reactions of aldehydes. Question number 9, convert acetaldehyde into peraldehyde by a reaction which is done in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid. Question number 10, what is haloform reaction? Question number 11, what is the use of iodoform test to distinguish between acetaldehyde and formaldehyde? Question number 12, what is a Cannizaro's reactions? Give an its example. Question number 13, how alpha hydroxy acids are produced from aldehyde and ketones? Question number 14, what is a silver mirror test? What is its importance? Question number 15, failing solution react with the aldehyde to give red PPTs, justify it. Question number 16, write failing solution test. Question number 17, what is sodium nitroprusside test? Question number 18, write down the 4 uses of acetaldehyde. Question number 19. Write 4 uses of formaldehyde. Long questions. Question number 1. Define aldol condensation. Give its mechanism. Question number 2. Define Cannizzaro's reaction. Explain its mechanism with a suitable example. Question number 3. Write 4 tests by which aldehydes can be distinguished from ketones. Question number 4. Write any 4 uses of acetaldehyde. Next, chapter number 13. Carboxylic acid. Short questions. Question number 1. Write down the structural formula of phthalic acid and malonic acid. Question number 2. Write down the mechanism of reaction A between acetic and ethanol. Question B part is acetic acid and thionyl chloride. Question number 3. How would you convert the acetic acid into methane and acetic anhydride? Question number 4. What happens when followings are heated? A statement is sodium formate and soda lime. B statement is sodium acetate and soda lime. Write down the 4 uses of acetic acid. This chapter contains no long questions important because comparing scheme के according इस चैप्टर में से लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस सेलेक्ट नहीं होते. तो इस चैप्टर में जो है वो लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस नथिंग इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट देयर इज chapter number 15. Common chemical industries in Pakistan. So students, according to the examination point of view, this chapter also doesn't contain any long questions. So the important questions from these chapters are: question number 1, distinguish micronutrients and macronutrients for the plants. Question 2 is give reactions of preparation of urea by using ammonia and carbon dioxide. Question number 3, brief about preling of urea. Question number 4, write down the formulas for superphosphate and triple phosphate. Question number 5, explain the importance of potassium fertilizer. Question number 6, how urea is manufactured, write its reaction. Question number 7, what are phosphatic fertilizers, give 2 formulas of phosphatic fertilizers. Question number 8, give an idea about the clinker. Question number 9, define cement, give its essential components. Question number 10, draw flowsheet diagrams for the manufacture of cement. Question number 11, give chemical changes that occurs in different zones during the manufacture of cement. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आज की इस वीडियो में मैंने आपके साथ केमिस्ट्री क्लास सेकेंड ईयर के ऑर्गेनिक पोर्शन को डिस्कस किया अकॉर्डिंग टू द शॉर्ट एंड द लॉन्ग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस जो इम्पोर्टेंट थे इन दीज चैप्टर्स वो मैंने आपके साथ डिस्कस किए. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इस चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें ताकि हर स्टूडेंट को इन क्वेश्चंस का अंदाज़ा हो सके कि हमारी केमिस्ट्री के ऑर्गेनिक पोर्शन में कौन से लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस इंपॉर्टेंट हैं और शॉर्ट इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़.